Good morning students. The next experiment in microcontroller lab is counters. We are going to write a program to count up and down. The logic behind is you need to use a register to store the initial count value. Okay. The main aim is to write an assembly language program in 8051 to count up and down counters. Software used is Keil Microvision. The program for up counter. So initially you are going to start it with 00H, and up counter means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So likewise it has to count. I am going to give the initial value as 00. So here the counter starts to count from 00 and ends with FF. I have to view this counter output in port 1. Either you can use any of the ports to view the output. In this particular program, we are going to use port 1 to view your output. So initialize the value R1 with 00. So in this you are going to use an immediate addressing mode. Then I am moving the same value to port 1. Then increment R1. So I am going to increment. So after 0, 1 should come. After 1, 2 should come. After 2, 3 should come. But for every count there should be some time delay. So you are going to create a delay program. This delay program, you can increase the time delay. This is a time delay that is defined, that is written by using loop concept. You can create a delay program, or you can write a delay program using timer concept, which we will be discussing in the next few experiments. In this you have created a delay program using a loop. Move R5 comma hash 0FF, move R2 comma hash 0FF. You are going to decrement this R2, and if it is not equal to 0, it is going to run in this particular loop. Therefore, here R2 will run FF times. So based on your machine cycle also, the delay is going to be created when you write for this type of looping instruction. Then after call return is available. So whenever a return statement is seen by the assembler, it goes to the next line of your ACALL statement. Again here also ACALL delay. So this particular delay program will be run 3 times. And when your program needs to start from 00 and it counts, and it should count till FF. So when it reaches FF, your program should again start from 00. So you are going to give a continuous loop. So this is the before, this is after executing. You will get, after executing, you can see here it starts with 00 and ends with FF. Slowly the values is increased, and a screenshot of the same has been pasted over here. In case of down counter, I have to initialize the value as 0FF. So from 0FF the count FE, FD, FC, FB, FA, like that it has to decrease. So I am going to give a decrement instruction, decrement R1. Then I wanted some time delay between each count. So I am creating a delay program using loops. So this is the delay program which we have explained for your up counter. Now we will show the execution in Keil software. I am going to type the program in the Keil software. First I will close the old files, remove this particular file. Then I will start a new program, paste it, save the program. It is the program for your up counter. So type it as upcount.asm, save it. Then add this particular file in the source group, right click, add existing files to source group. Up counter, the name of the file is upcount. So search upcount.asm and add it, so that it will be available on the project window. Once it is done, you need to build the target to see whether the particular file is having any error or not. Build the target. After target, here 0 errors, 0 warnings. Then go to start stop debug session. So after start stop debug session, you will get the window like this. Okay. Now I wanted to view my output. To view my output, I have used, so here the Keil software has closed. One more time I will open. Just a minute. So here, 1 minute, let it get open. So we need to type the program After typing the program, I wanted to build the target. After building the target, I want to check for my errors. Here 0 error, 0 warning. Then I need to go for debug session, give start stop debug session. I want to view the output in port 1. So to view the output in port 1, go to peripherals, click IO port. In that you type port 1. So any port you can use, but in the program you people have used port 1. We have used port 1 to view our output. So go to peripherals, go to IO port, click port 1. So when you click port 1, and if you run the program, you can see your port 1 starts from 00 and it ends with FF. You can see the difference in this particular window. So you can see it starts counting 00111, like that it starts counted and it is ending. There is some time delay between each count. You can notice in this output also. So it started and it ends with FF. So it is for your up counter. In the similar manner, I will show the output for your down counter. So for the down counter, just I wanted to give a decrement count. I will type the program for down counter. So first I will close this program because this is program meant for up counter. I will type the program for down counter. I will save it with a file extension down.asm. Down.asm. Give OK. Now I make this file to be visible under source group. So remove the previous up counter file. Go to source group. Add the existing files. In this type down.asm. Click OK. So after clicking OK, the file is added onto your project window. Then give start run. So after running, you can find 0 errors and 0 warnings. Then go to debug, give start stop debug session, give OK. Now I wanted to view the file, view my output in port 1. So go to peripherals, go to IO port, click port 1. Already port 1 is selected. Now run the program. When you run the program, you can see the counter counts down from FF to 00. You can view the count. You can view here the counting is getting reduced from FF to 00. So this is how you can have to work on with your up counter and down counter. Okay. So this is some screenshot, like starting it will be FF, then slowly it will be, this is 2 to 3 screenshots we have pasted after execution of your down counter. Thus your 8051 assembly language program is written and simulated to count from 00 to FF and to count down from FF to 00, and the output is verified. Thank you students.